Good morning, students. Are you practicing all your homework sums from the previous exercises? Hope you all do that. Now, let us learn rounding numbers. Okay. Maybe in 3rd standard you have studied about rounding numbers. So, rounding numbers, this is a small example to show you that the numbers will go to the before number or to the after number. That is, if you take the edge of the numbers like 40 and 50. Now the numbers in between 40 and 50 are 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48 and 49. These are the numbers in between 40 and 50. So now 41, 42, 43, 44 is less than 45. So the numbers less than 5 should go to the before number. 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 5 and above. 5 and greater than 5 should go to the next number. Once again I'll tell you, the numbers less than 5 should go to the before number, and the number 5 and greater than 5 should go to the next number. So now we'll go to the exercise. The first sum, round to the nearest tens. The first question is 65. So when I look at 65, I should tell whether the 65 should go to the beginning, that is 60, or to the end, that is 70. These are the two extremes. If I talk about 65, I should write first the two extremes of 65. So 65 is in between 60 and 70. Now this is the time to decide whether the 65 goes to 60 or goes to 70. So as we have learned before, the numbers less than 5 should go to the before number. The numbers greater than 5 should go to the after number. So 65 is 65. So if it is 5 greater than 5, it should go to the next number. So that is, the number is 70. The next sum. The number is 91. So 91 is in between 90 and 100. So 91 is less than 5. So if it is less than 5, it should go to the before number, that is 90. The next sum. 78. 78 is between 70 and 80. So 78 is more than 5. So if it is more than 5, it should go to the next number, that is 80. The next sum, 34. 34 is between 30 and 40. So 34 is less than 5. So if it is less than 5, it should go to the before number, that is 30. The next number is 115. We are talking about tens. So if it is 115, this is there in the hundreds place. Only this is there in the tens place. So in the tens place we have only 15. Where is 15 actually? 15 is actually between 10 and 20. So this hundreds place will not change. This hundreds place will be 1, and will be 1. Only the tens place, this 15 is between 10 and 20. So 115, as we learned before, this 5 comes. This 5 and more than 5 should go to the next number, that is 120. The next sum, 488. 400. This 4 stays in hundreds place. So only this 88 is there in tens place. So 88 is between 80 and 90. This 4 is there in the hundreds place, will be the same. So this 88 is between 80 and 90. 88. 88 is more than 5. So if it is more than 5, it should go to the next number, that is 490. The next sum, 225. So do you remember this 200? This 2 is there in the hundreds place. There is no change at all. So this 25 is there in the tens place. This 25 is between 20 and 30. This 25 is between 20 and 30. As we learned before, this is 5. 225. 5 comes, the number should go to the next place, that is 230. The next sum, 672. 600, the 6 is there in the hundreds place, so there is no change. 72 is only there in the tens place. 72 is between 70 and 80. So this is less than 5. If it is less than 5, it should go to the before number, that is 670. Now the second sum, round to the nearest 100. Now we are going to ask, before the first sum we did round to the nearest tens. Now we are going to do round to the nearest hundreds. So it is like 100 table, 100, 200, 300. The extremes will be only hundreds. Before the extremes was tens. Now the extremes will be hundreds. If it is 436, this 436 is between 400 and 500. This 436, before doing this sum, let us imagine what comes in the middle. If it is 100, 200. For example, we have 100, 200. In between 100 and 200, what is there in between that? The exact middle, that is 150. So now this 50 is there in the middle. Something is before this 50, it goes to the before number. Something is after this 50, it goes to the after number. Alright. Now 436. This 36 is before 50. So if it is before 50, it should go to the before number. That is 400. The next is 651. The extremes will be 600, 700. 651. So 51 is just after 50. If it is just after 50, it is after 50. If it is after 50, it should go to the after number, that is 700. The next sum, 318. 318, it's between 300 and 400. 318, it's just only 18. 18 is, of course, you know, it is before 50. So if it is before 50, it should go to the before number, that is 300. The next sum, 849. So 800, it's between 800 and 900. 849. 49 is just before 50. So if it is before 50, it should go to the before number, that is 800. 205. 205 is between 200 and 300. 205 is just after 200. So that is, it is before 50. If it is before 50, it should go to the before number only. It's 200 is the answer. The next sum, 770. It's between 700 and 800. 770. So the 70 is after 50 only. So something is after 50, it should go to the after number. That is 800. 536. It's between 500 and 600. 536. 36 is before 50. So it should go to the before number. The next sum, 148. 148 is a number which is between 100 and 200. So 148. 48 is before 50 or after 50? It's before 50. So it should go to before number, that is 100. So now we have learned how to round off to the nearest tens and how to round off to the nearest hundreds. So these are the two homework sums I have given you. Practice well at home. We'll learn Roman numbers in our next exercise. Thank you, children.